Reeco Soldering Robot. Product presentation. Reeco robots are ready-made solutions. Each robot is a fully automated, independent unit that can be implemented into an existing or newly built production line. The robot is equipped with a Reeco soldering head controller, ensuring precise control of tip temperature. Process parameters are controlled by the Siemens PLC. The device can work with a wide range of applications of over 40 different types. The manufacturer of SCARA robot arms is Yamaha Robotics, whose representative in Poland and the Balkans is RENEX. The Reeco soldering robot allows soldering in a nitrogen shield, which has a positive effect on the process time, quality, and visual effect of the soldered connections. The robot is equipped with edge conveyor. It can be part of a production line thanks to the use of SMEMA communication, which enables instant integration with devices of other manufacturers. In our offer, we also have screw driving, dosing and labeling robots. All solutions are modular. They are ready-made units that can be implemented into a working production line, increasing the efficiency of a specific stage of work. RENEX also operates in the field of industrial robotics and is an authorized Yamaha Robotics Training Center. Training courses in this area are addressed to integrators of robotics and automation systems, representatives and students of technical universities, and service and maintenance engineers. The range of Reeco robots is an original project developed by RENEX engineers. It was awarded the Good Design Award in the Work Area category and the TERAZ Polska title. This device and all the others in our offer can be viewed and tested at the RENEX Technology Centre.